Hello everyone, this is Mr. Boutros Asad, and today we will talk about reading the time on analog and digital clock. Okay, so I have here analog clock and this is a digital clock. So both of them shows the same time. Okay, but let's remind you of minutes and seconds. If you remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Both that in mind. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so let's start by reading a time. For example, so I have the hours hand is between 2 and 3, and the minutes hand is at 4. So the hours here is 2, and the minutes, let's count by 5 to find the minutes. So here is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So the digital clock should show 2 and 20 minutes. So that's it. Okay, let's make another example. The hours hand, the shorter one, is after 10 a little bit, and the minutes hand, the taller one, is at 1. So the hours should be 10 and the minutes should be here 0, and 1 means 5 minutes. So it should show 10 and 5 minutes. It's exactly 10 and 5 minutes. Okay, what about this? If you look here, you will find that the hours hand is between 7 and 8. It should be the lower one, the smaller one, which is 7, and the minutes hand is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it should be 7:30. If you remember, how can we say that say this time as analog? We will say half past 7, half past 7, and in digital we will say 7:30. Okay, the hours hand here is between 11 and 12, so it should show 11, and the minutes hand is exactly at 8. So let's count the minutes: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it should be 11:40. Yeah, it is 11:40. And how can we read this as analog clock? We will say I need 5, 10, 15, 20 to complete the 60. So I need 20 minutes till the hour be, what is after 11? It will be 12. So I need 20 minutes to be 12. I will say it like this: 20 to 12, 20 to 12. Okay, another example here. Okay, if you look at the hours hand, you will find it looks like it is at 6, but in fact it will not be 6 until this hand move to 12. So it is still 5. So the hours should be 5, and the minutes should be, let's count in 5. Here is 0, 5, sorry, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it be 5 and 55 minutes. As we said, 5:55. How can we read this as analog? Okay, because the longer hand is at the left part, so I need a little bit to be 6. So in analog, I say how many minutes to be the next hour. So it is, I need from here to here 5 minutes to be 6. So it is 5 to 6. 5 to 6. What about this? The hours here is after 8 and before 9, so it should be 8. The minutes is at 3, so let's count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15. So the digital clock should be 8:15. 8:15. But what about the analog? Because the longer hand on the right hand side, I will say the minutes that passed after it was 8 o'clock. So there are 15 minutes passed after 8. So I can say it like this: 15 past 8. 15 past 8. And this was all for today. Thank you very much.